this is where hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing an apartment tour, and this is for my apartment in France. Yeah, I'm supposed to actually share the room with someone else, but then she is not in, so I want to take advantage of the time and show you guys around. Before then, if you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button to keep up with my activities in France and any other thing. Yeah, so I think we can get started. This is the exterior. I'm going to have to I hope, yeah, I'm going to show you how so to get in I have to sign and get it activated. Yeah, once I enter, it locks. It's firmly secured. Okay, yeah, it's locked. So I didn't lock the door because I was already here, so I don't have to open it. So I just get in. But once I get in, I'm going to have to lock it to be sure that I'm safe. So I've locked it. Okay, so I'm going to put on the light. Okay, so when you enter, this is the corridor. This is what you see first. Very nice, neat, clean corridor. To my left is the kitchen. I have a bin here. This is sort of a dining area. There's a chair and a table. I have some water, cutlery over there. I have some snacks. There's the sink. There's a burner. I can cook if I want. I have a microwave. There's a kettle. I have some more snacks. This is rice, and that is pasta. And I have a toaster. I think I've mentioned the kettle. Then there's an aircon in here. Then the fridge. There's nothing up here, but then I have some yogurt. I have some salad. I have some cheese, butter, drink, stuff in here. And then in this cabinet, I have some utensils in case I want to do something, cook or anything. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I have something in the microwave. I ate something and left some, so I kept it in the microwave. Okay, so let's leave the kitchen area. When we leave the kitchen area, the door that faces the kitchen is the washroom. Yeah, let me put on the light. Okay, so it doesn't work. Okay, so this is the lavatory. Where is the light for the lavatory? Yeah, so this is the lavatory. Yeah, there's nothing more to see here, so let's get going. Okay, so this is actually supposed to be the room for the other lady who isn't yet in. So let's see the washroom. So the bath. So this is the bath. Yeah. Sink where I get to look at myself, brush and do other things. So yeah, now let's go on. Okay. So this is sort of a shelf where if you want to keep anything of yours. Yeah. And this is something they put here which says be an icon when I came here. So if then I thought it's really cool. The room could do with a little bit more of decoration, but I don't know, maybe if I get the time or I get the things, I'll just do it. So this is like the sitting room or the third room. It's quite bigger than the others, and it has sofa, it has a little shelf on its own, it has some tables and chairs and a bed in the corner. This is where I'm supposed to actually connect my internet, but I don't have the slot for it on my laptop, so I may have to go and get an adapter or something. I'll look at that later. There's a shelf and other things. So this is where like they've kept the extra stuff that I don't know what they could be used for. So this is outside. I can see outside from here, and I can also close it. So this is where I am. now I think we can go to my room. There's nothing more to really see here. So, okay, so before we go to my room, let me show you the space. This is the laundry. What we do, we are supposed to do your washing. So there's an iron, there are some washing antiseptics and stuff, the washing machine, the vacuum cleaner, and all of that. I haven't seen this place, but it's locked. Yeah, and then there's a mirror here where I can look at myself before I step out. Yeah, so now let's go to my room. So this is my room, 27B. I have to put on the light. Okay, so this is my room. This is my bed. My bed. I have my necklace there. I have my socks, my bedtime socks here. And there's an aircon here. That's my winter jacket. My Bible, my books. I have some bread here. This is my steady lamp. And then there's the iron I brought myself. My keys, my AirPods, my bowl, my other phone. Let me put on the light, my steady light for you to see. Okay. So that's my steady light in case I want to stay in. It's quite dark. Yeah. So, and this is my wardrobe. I have actually packed. Sorry. But you see my towel this way, but I didn't find any other place to keep it. So this is how I've packed my stuff. I have my winter jackets, my bags up here, and some dresses. Yes, my dresses up there, and an extra blanket. And then I have my pullovers, my sweaters, the tops, and some underwear on the side, and some other extras down there. And then here I have some trousers, some nose masks, and some more underwears. And here are my creams and stuff. And here are some provisions, and my shoes are down there. So I actually tried to put everything together so that I can easily find anything when I am looking for them. So yeah, that is it for the wardrobe. Then I have a bin on the side, and then I've kept my laptop here. I have some liquid soap, and my makeup stuff are here. Yeah, that's basically it. I've connected my laptop over there. So guys, yeah, that is it for my room. There isn't really much to see here. I more or less showed you everywhere, and I'll be taking you with me whenever I'm going somewhere so that we get to discover the town, the city together. We get to discover France together. But as you can tell, I'm still really tired. I slept and woke up. I woke up around almost 12, and I'm not done with a lot of stuff. I want to step out a little. So I may or may not record it. I may wait till I'm very conversant with the area before I record. I do like a vlog of wherever I'm going. So yeah, that is it guys. So thank you so much for staying with me. Let me get a good place with the good light. Yeah guys, so that is it for this video. I thank you so much for joining me, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the family. If you are, thank you, and continue to support me and stay with me. Bye.